Welcome back. You are now looking at Google Books Ngram Viewer. You can visit this site by books.google.com/ngrams. It's spelled a little weird. You'll have to type in the letter N, then Grams. And basically what Ngram Viewer does is it calculates the popularity of a term within books from the years 1800 to 2000. So in some cases, you may find that your term may have been part of a published book, and you can write in your term, and it is another view of just how popular the term is. And so we can write in our term, low carb dieting, then we can click enter. And actually, you'll see that this was a term that did not appear before 2000. And so what we can also do in some cases is we can change the case, although that probably will not necessarily change this particular term. Now, of course, if we were to just use the term dieting, that word would probably appear lots of times in the course of the last years. And you'll notice that the term really picked up in popularity after the 1960s. So again, this is just another way of getting another view of your keyword. And if your keyword was one of those terms that would have been used prior to 2000, you may be able to get some insight on it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.